I am the Himalaya. I have stood here for millions of years. I have seen the earth move. I have heard the sound of creation, and I have kept it all in silence. I have seen many stars lost in time, and many birds who fly over me. I have watched their evolution. The rivers that begin in my heart carry stories older than any language. The snow that falls on me has fallen 1,000 times before. It melts, it returns, and so does everything in this world. I know what the silence is, not the absence of sound, but the presence of everything that has ever lived. I have felt the fire within the earth. I have felt the weight of storms. But nothing breaks me. I only change my shape and continue to rise. I am the Himalaya. I do not rise for the sky. I rise because I must, to shape the winds and the life of those who live beneath my shadow. This is Quantum Explorer INC, bringing you closer to the spirit of the Himalayas.